Hi everyone, it's Joanna Bojarska, the beauty expert, and I hope you are all well, staying safe and healthy in these very challenging times. And in today's video, I would like to talk about one of the most popular products on the market these days, and it is the hand sanitizer. This product is very hard to get, and if it's available, the price is much higher. At my beauty studio, I have available two different hand sanitizers, one for the sensitive skin for the adults and one for the kids. The hand sanitizer available at my beauty studio was manufactured in Poland, and I have two versions available. One for the sensitive skin and one designed especially for kids above 3 years of age. It just has added strawberry scent to make it easier for children to accept. I also have Clarena Caviar Liquid Soap available, so if you are interested in purchasing any of these items, then all the contact details are listed in the description box below this video, so you can check it out all there. But what if you don't have an access to the hand sanitizer? Well, in today's video I will show you how you can very easily make one yourself. But before we start talking about hand sanitizers, let me just tell you that good old-fashioned soap and water is the best way to keep your hands clean. And I guess that by now everyone knows that you have to wash your hands for at least 20 seconds singing Happy Birthday song twice. And this 20 seconds is the time when you lather the soap on your hands, not the whole process of washing. So yes, soap and water is the best way to keep your hands clean. If you are at your own household and you know that this cotton towel, it's your own private one, no one else is using it, then you can reuse this towel, but please wash it quite regularly. But if you are not sure, or you are in the public place, then I would highly recommend using either a hand dryer or a paper towel. But sometimes we don't have an access to the soap and water, and these are the situations where hand sanitizers are good, effective alternative. They are portable, you can carry them with you all the time, and that way you can use them every time you have been to public place, as many times as you see it fit. So these days you can find plenty of different videos or recipes where people are sharing with you how to make your own hand sanitizer at home. But please do not follow the accounts where they show you that you can use tequila to sanitize your hands, because you can't. According to CDC regulations, the minimal alcohol concentration which will be effective against the viruses is 60%. And for example, at my beauty studio, I am using hand sanitizers which have even higher concentration of alcohol. So for example, this AHD 1000 will have 76% of alcohol, and this is ethanol inside. And then we have SkinSep Pure, for example, and I'm using it on my hands mainly, and sometimes on my clients' hands where necessary. And this SkinSep will have a mixture of 3 different alcohols, which will be the isopropanol and ethanol and benzyl alcohol. They are very good, very effective, very strong, but also very drying for your hands. And hence why my phone sometimes doesn't see my fingers after a very busy day. But this is the price that we professionals have to pay to stay safe, protected and healthy. Okay, so I think that was the longest intro ever, but now without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so to make a very basic hand sanitizer, you really need only two ingredients, and it will be the base, which is the alcohol. And I have today the pure 99% isopropanol and an emollient to not dry our hands out, which can be an aloe vera gel or juice or glycerin, for example. Just make sure that when you buy the aloe vera, you want to buy the most pure version, and also check the actual content on aloe vera in the product itself. So I have today aloe vera juice with 99.9% aloe vera in it. And aloe vera is a very good antioxidant, and it has antibacterial properties. It is also very soothing and moisturizing for the skin. And I also have a vegetable glycerin as an option. And glycerin attracts and locks the moisture into the skin. It has similar to aloe vera softening, smoothing and soothing properties. It also has pH levels close to our skin, which means that it can be used by people with very sensitive skin or babies. Okay, so now the measurements. The easiest way is to buy the alcohol in the highest concentration. So you want as pure alcohol as you can get. So I have here the 99%. My recipe will be 2/3 of the alcohol and then 1/3 of the chosen emollient. So it will be the aloe vera or glycerin. So that will make me, and so that will give me about 66-68% of alcohol content in my sanitizer. Okay, so now I will mix the alcohol, and then maybe let's use the aloe vera juice. So I will just shake it before using. Okay, so we're adding 2 measures of the alcohol. I mean, the more alcohol, the better. So you can even add more alcohol because you want to make sure that you don't go below this 60%. And then 1 measure of aloe vera gel. And you mix it. And that's it. You have your hand sanitizer. But if you wish to add a little bit more, I usually add a little bit of glycerin, for example, just for the moisturizing properties. And I also like to add a few drops of essential oil, and I like to choose the essential oils which have antibacterial purposes in them as well. So for example, I will use an eucalyptus oil, tea tree oil or oregano oil. So I will be using today an eucalyptus oil with coconut base. So eucalyptus oil is well known for its antiseptic benefits, helps with relieving symptoms of cough, cold, sore throat and other infections. So I add a few drops to my blend. It will also make it smell nicer. And you can also add here colloidal silver, so there is plenty of different options. If you use aloe vera gel, you will have a little bit thicker consistency than when you use the juice. Don't expect it to look exactly the same as, for example, the ready-made gel, where the formula was tested, etc. But the main thing is that it works in a very similar way and keeping your skin clean. And you can make it a spray or a gel consistency, whichever works better for you. So I have here a little bottle like so. I have the pump bottle, but you can use spray bottle, whichever you like, and you just transfer it to your little bottle. Okay, so we have our hand sanitizers ready now, so we can keep our hands clean and safe through the whole day. And these days we constantly wash our hands and use those alcohol-based hand sanitizers. That's why it's very important to replenish the moisture and nourishment on our hands, because the skin can become quite dry. And I would suggest to invest in a good hand cream, and you can use a simple A&E vitamin cream, or I would highly recommend the Aveda hand relief cream. So hand relief cream together with foot relief cream are Aveda's two best sellers. Hand Relief deeply moisturizes your dry hands with anti-roba oil and other plant hydrators. They help protect skin's moisture barrier, sealing in softness through 3 hand washes. And if you really want to treat your hands, I would use the Hand Relief cream during the day, and in the evening after washing my hands I would maybe do a gentle scrub on my hands and then use the Hand Relief Renewal serum. So this serum will plump your skin on your hands, it will smooth those fine lines and wrinkles, and it will also work on the dark spots. So I will use this, and then on top of that I would use the Hand Relief cream. And at my beauty studio you have 3 different versions of the Hand Relief cream. So you can either choose a travel size, which is a good option if you never tried it before and you just want to see if you actually like the product. And then you can buy yourself a full version of Hand Relief, and I also have a few sets of this little trio left, and this is a very good value for the price because you get one almost for free here, and you have 3 different scent versions of these little creams. So yes, I really recommend this cream. I use it every day. It's a very good moisturizing, nourishing hand cream. Okay, I hope you found this video interesting and helpful, and if you did, please give it some thumbs up. And although my beauty studio is temporarily closed, I am here for you. I have already introduced new online beauty services, as well as I will be doing live streams. So if you want to be up to date with all this news, then follow me on my social media. And all the contact details will be listed in the description box below this video, so you can check it out there. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as I try to upload new videos on a regular basis. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you are all safe and healthy and you stay at home and wash your hands, use your hand sanitizers, and I will talk to you very soon. Thank you very much. Bye.